Tinnitus just became a passion for me from early on in my education, because I saw so many patients when I was in the clinic at CU Boulder getting my master's degree. Every day people were coming in complaining of tinnitus, and we were just like everyone else out there telling them, I don't know what to do for you. You have hearing loss, let's try hearing aids. And that was it. And so I thought there's gotta be something else available. There's gotta be something out there that we can do for these people, because day after day after day of being in the clinic, whether it was at CU or whether it was in private practice, we see patients all the time that have this problem. And so I just knew if I was gonna help these people, I needed to seek out more training and more education. And I was very fortunate to be able to work with Dr. Paul Yastreboff, who really developed tinnitus retraining therapy. And by studying with him at Emory University in Atlanta, I really felt like I got a strong foundation in how we can help and what are the best ways to help people that are suffering from this. And so I think it just was a passion of mine from the start of my career in audiology, and I've just been really committed to following all the advancements, because for me, technology and research is a great way to be able to reach more people and help more people that have this problem.